Alright, good morning guys. Today we have a new function or a new mode in Bomb Crypto. As you can see here, we have the adventure mode, which is pretty cool. So to play the adventure mode, you actually require one key, which you can get it from playing the treasure hunt mode. And yeah, so my guys were kind of lucky, we got one key. So we're just gonna try the adventure mode and see how it turns out. And in the previous video, we did mention that when playing the adventure mode, you might want to use the best hero that you have. And something I found out is that the hero's energy does not link to the treasure hunt mode. So there is energy for the adventure mode itself, and there's energy for the treasure hunt mode itself. Okay, so this is pretty cool. We have a few maps here. We have toys, this level 1, Candy World, the forest, the sand, mechanic factory, pirates, Chinese restaurants. Oh, it's dim sum. No idea what this is. But this is like a dim sum. No idea what this is as well. Chinese chef. Alright, so let's start with toys. We're gonna pick the best one that we have. So I think the best hero that I have is either this or this. Yeah, I think we'll go with this because I think what works for this hero is that it has you can move through bombs and you can move through blocks. So I did see some gameplay and some other YouTubers playing this game. I think walking through blocks is pretty important because you got to escape from the monsters. And if you can walk through bombs, that is great, but ideally you shouldn't. And then we get some chance of not losing mana when we place bombs. So we're gonna try this. The first time we're gonna be playing this. And so the reward we can see is 1 B coin, which is pretty good. So B coin right now is sitting at about $3, so it's pretty cool. So we're gonna try it out. Okay, so alright, so we have to move with the arrow keys. Spacebar places the bomb. Alright, there we go. Oh, damn. Got hit. Oh gosh, this is tough. Oh, damn. Okay, so it's kind of tough because your hero walks really fast. And it's a little bit hard to control sometimes. Okay, so I think the trick is you have to trap them. Alright, so there's a flashing one here, so we're just gonna destroy that. Damn, I'm done with Half-Life. Man, I suck at this game. Alright, so we're going to the portal. Not bad. 1 B coin. So can we pick the same hero and go again? Oh, so the hero can only play once, so we're gonna use the next one. Right, so you can only play one map. You can only play one map with 1 key. So ideally you might want to have 5 keys so you could play all the different maps at once. And let's see, so right now after playing I think it's pretty good. In 2 minutes you get 1 B coin, which is pretty good. I think this is a good potential play to earn if you are playing the game. But you need keys, so I don't think keys are gonna be able or gonna be sold in the marketplace, or I'm not too sure about whether the keys will be sold in the marketplace. But if it can be sold in the marketplace, I think that will be pretty good as well. But nonetheless, I think it was a fast one. Like, it was really fast, and you can see that now the time lock here is about another. Did I spend like 1 minute? So I earned 1 B coin in 1 minute, so that is pretty cool. So once this hero is done, you cannot play it for the next 24 hours. So ideally you might want to have a whole team of like super rares and rares, and I think that would be a lot better for your gameplay because you're able to complete 5 in one time if you have 5 keys. So now I have completed the first map, so I have another 4 more to go, which means that if I have another 2 more rare or super rare heroes, I think that will be pretty epic, and that will enable me to play even more. Yeah, so like right now I think the skills really come into play right now. Like, you really want to have skills that can walk through walls, and I think what works is this as well, explosion that causes damage through the block. I think this is gonna be easy win for you if you're using this skill to kill these monsters as well. So that was a little bit fast. I expected it to be a little bit longer, but nonetheless, so to get keys you just have to hunt on treasure hunt. I think it's a little red chest. I didn't see it just now, but I think my game was running and then suddenly I just hey, there's a key. There's a key. Yeah. So that's the game. Let's see. I think the coins goes back into your chest here. So 10B coins here. Not too bad. Yeah, so I think that's it for today's video. It's a pretty quick one. I didn't expect it to be so fast. I thought I could play a little bit longer, but so we need one key to complete one stage. So if you want to do all 5 at once, ideally you should have 5 keys, which I think that shouldn't be hard to get, I guess. So something else that I realized is that if you are using higher rarity heroes like this one here, like this one's a super rare, right? If you use that and if we clear stage world 1 of stage 2 of world 1, we get 1 B coin. But if we were to use a common hero, which is common, we get 0.8 B coin. So I think the rewards are still pretty okay using common heroes, but chances are if you're using common heroes, right, you might not be able to place as many bombs because you can only place 1 bomb and you only have 1 skill, as compared to a super rare hero. You have like 3 skills, and then you have higher speed, higher power, and more number of bombs as well, and increased bomb range. So definitely if you are playing the adventure mode, you might want to use the highest rarity hero that you have, and you might want to have 5 keys before you start playing the adventure mode, so you could complete all 5 at once and to fight with the boss, which I'm guessing is this big tank here that will shoot multiple bombs based on other players' gameplay. But nonetheless, thank you guys so much for watching. It's just a very quick update on the game itself. So Marketplace is still delayed. Marketplace is delayed until the 20th of January. So that's in a day's time or 2 days time, because it's UTC. So we just have to wait for Marketplace before we can start shopping for some stuff as well. I'm very, very curious to know what is the price of rare heroes gonna be. What's the price of super rare heroes gonna be as well. So nonetheless, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.